Hey fam, now we're trying the Anli Sushi at Sushi Marami here in Makati, located at second floor, Eaton Tower, 128 De La Rosa Street, Makati City. So, makikita nyo naman kung gaano kalinis at kaganda ang restaurant nila. Kaya naman, trinay namin to despite of may mga negative reviews kaming naririnig. Pero super trending kasi siya sa Facebook. Kasi marami namang positive reviews despite of everything. So, makikita nyo naman, ito yung shabu-shabu station nila. They have meats, noodles, and vegetables for the selections. So, ito naman, makikita nyo na, yung kumari nyo, kuha-kuha na ng mga ilalagay niya sa hot pot. So, merong fish cake, crab sticks, dumplings, pork, and beef. Tapos, meron ding crab balls, and then ito na yung shabu-shabu soup. So, ikaw na bahalang mamili at maglagay. So, meron silang 200 pesos left over charge per head. Kaya, ingat lang tayo dahil tayo din naman ang magko-consume nito. So, ito na yung mga cooked foods like the siopaw, the tonkatsu, tempura, fried chicken, meron ding kani salad, pasta, and noodles. So, masarap din naman talaga yung cooked foods nila. Makikita nyo naman kung gaano ka-premium at kaganda yung pagkakagawa ng mga sushi nila. Made with love talaga. So, ito na yung mga food na kinonsume namin for tonight's dinner. So, makikita nyo, ayan, napakaganda ng mga sushi selections nila. As in, sobrang daming variety, hindi mo matitikman. All in all, na-satisfy kami and thank you for the delightful experience. Bye!